This is the view from the cottage on Lake Erie, the back porch. The back porch, the back patio, the grassy patio. It's about 5:30 on the 1st of August, 2009. It steps down to the beach for us, and all of Lake Erie for our use. Somebody's setting up for a little bonfire on the beach